Hi guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. I cannot believe it's almost Christmas. It's just a few more days to Christmas, and I'm so guilty of not getting my shopping done. I still have to, after recording this video, I still have to go out and get some last minute gift items. And usually I try not to wait till last minute because of the whole Christmas shopping rush. The malls everywhere is going to be jam packed. It's the weekend, it's Saturday. This is the last weekend before Christmas, and I usually try to get my shopping out of the way, but this year I've not been great about doing that. And today it's Saturday, and I still have so much stuff planned for today. I have to go get my nails done, and after that, then head to the mall to get last minute gift items. But I wanted to come by today and share some of the items that I got when I recently visited Miami. This was early this month. I visited Miami and got a few items. So I wanted to share that and get this whole unboxing out of the way because I keep procrastinating and find out that all this stuff is just piling up, and I'm like, I'll get to it, I'll get to it, but for some reason life gets in the way. So today I'm like, I have to record. So I'm guessing this is going to be a two-part unboxing because I also have some stuff that I picked up from the Dior sale. Dior had a sale recently, and even though a lot of stuff were not available in my size, I was still able to pick up one item on sale, and I got another item. Actually, I got two items that were not on sale that I will share in another video. So I'm thinking this is going to be a two parts unboxing. So let's get to it. So I stopped at the Saks Bal Harbour, and oh my gosh, I love the shops at Bal Harbour. It's just the atmosphere there. It's so beautiful. And whenever I go there, my husband is always like, oh my gosh, please somebody get her wallet. Get her wallet. I don't want her to have a wallet. But he can't help. It can't help the wife he married. Even though he tries, he knows he can't help it. I think he's just given up at this point, and he puts me in his prayers. So that's what I keep telling him. Just pray, and you just never know. I'll get better. So yeah, let's get to it. I've always wanted the Chanel Dad sandal, but when I talked to my essay about it at the Chanel boutique, they were not available. So to my surprise, I walked into Saks at Bal Harbour and they were available. They were there, and unfortunately, my size was not there. But it was a good thing that I tried on a size lower than what I usually would wear, because I actually thought my size, I was going to go ahead and order my size because the essay there was like she can go ahead and order it, but she wanted me to try a size smaller to see if I'm going to be true to the size that I'm thinking. So I tried a size smaller, and to my surprise, that almost fit me. But I was like, you know what? Let's not go ahead and order my actual size. Let's just go a size down. So I'm glad she actually suggested that I tried on a smaller size, so that way I can get my true size. Because I wasn't going to have this. This was actually going to be shipped to me since it was not available in the store. So yeah, this is how it comes. And let's see what the name is. It just says Meals and beige. So let's get to the unboxing. So glad I was able to pick this up because I've always wanted the Chanel Dad sandals, and glad I was able to try it on to know my actual size. So it comes with the dust bag. I think it comes with two of them, and the care booklet, and my invoice. So guys, this is the color that I got in beige. I was actually wearing my Chanel backpack, and I was thinking that it was gonna like be a perfect match, but this is a lighter beige. The backpack that I have, I did the unboxing It's a little bit darker. I mean, of course I can wear it with it, but I did not get this color with intention to match with my backpack. This comes in black, and it also came in this beige, this light beige color. I was debating what color to get, but I'm honestly happy with this beige color. I'm happy. I just wanted something different than black. So this is the details. I love the quilt. It's just so well made. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but a lot of dad sandals are. The ones that are not Chanel, the ones made by other brands, probably will cost you around $1,000. But this was around, I think, let's see, the price was on the box. Can't even remember how much I paid for them. $15.25. So it is well made. They are very, very comfortable, and I'm glad I was able to pick them up. They're just truly beautiful. So glad to add this to my collection. All right, let's go to the next item. So the next item are the Amina Muaddi glass slippers. Now, if you remember, I did an unboxing about Amina Muaddi meals, the crystal meals, which I was so happy about. And I did talk about this ones that I got. I think they're called the Rosie Glass sandal. Let me see if they have it. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called the Rosie Glass slipper. So they are truly beautiful. Let's go ahead and get it out. So this I did not get from Saks Fifth. I got this from a website called Elise Walker. They actually had them on sale for Black Friday, I believe. And fortunately, I ordered this the first week in December, so I was actually surprised that they had my size available. When I saw that my size was available, I immediately added it to my cart and checked out. So comes with this dust bag, and of course it's nicely packaged. Let's get to it. So guys, I've already tried this on because I wanted to make sure it fit, and I also wanted to make sure it's comfortable before I speak about it. This is very, very comfortable. One of the YouTubers that I followed was actually influenced by purchasing this glass slipper, because I did talk about it in my previous video, and I said that they had the one with the little bow and how cute it is. So she was able to snag it for a good deal. She actually paid a better price than I did, but I didn't care. I truly, truly wanted to look at how beautiful this is, guys. And the best part is it's just comfortable. They are so comfortable. This old crystal kind of glitters all the way. I mean, it's like truly glass slippers on your feet when you wear this. So I'm glad I was able to snag this on sale, even though it wasn't at the price point I would love, but I was willing to pay that, because guess what? Some websites like Net-a-Porter still have this regular price. Regular price is over $1,000. So I believe I paid a half. I paid 50% off. So I still got it at a bargain. So if you do happen to find this on sale, go for it. And I think essence.com have them on sale if they are not sold out by now. So if you're truly interested, you can just type it in Google Amina Muaddi Rosie Glass slipper, and then you will see different sites come up with different prices. Then you can decide if you would want to get that. I truly am enjoying wearing comfortable shoes, and I'm all about comfort nowadays. So yes. Now the other one that I got is by Givenchy. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This I got from Saks. Saks still has their designer sales going on, but they are probably short on sizes. So if you truly love this, you probably can still find it, or you can send a picture of it to your essay and see if she's able to locate it for you in one of the stores. At least I know that's what I do. So this is how it comes packaged, with the care booklet and our dust bag. I think it's about 2 of them in there, which is nice. And this are just your, I think they're, I wouldn't say they're your regular flat sandals. They are flat sandals, but I love how it has this gold detail. I mean, this is so cute. I saw this on the rack because, you know, Saks, their designer shoe sales, they usually have them on the rack. And I saw it in a small size at first. I was like, oh my gosh, let me run to my size and see if they have it. And they had it. I was so ecstatic. This was like the last pair. So I was so glad I was able to snag this. Guys, this is truly beautiful. Look at this gold detail. I don't think I have anything like this. And I've been wanting something like this. So this is just truly beautiful and so me. So this also comes in like a raffia type material instead of this being leather. This whole part here is raffia, and so it's like beige raffia with the gold buckle thing. It's also very nice, but I think I preferred this one better. And plus, they didn't even have my size in the other one anyway. So this was definitely a good sale find, and so happy to add this to my collection. I think this will be the first Givenchy shoes that I have. I do have one of their bags, and I don't think I own any of the shoe. So the leather quality on this is so soft and buttery. And it feels so comfortable on. This truly is beautiful, and you could tell it's very sturdy. I mean, look at the sole, so sturdy, and this is gonna last for a long time. So glad to add this to my collection. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here, and join me for part 2, where I go over the item that I got on sale from Dior, and 2 other items that I got that were not on sale. Join me, and if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you love watching content like this, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I drop new videos. I'm glad you're here watching my videos. I say a big thank you to you all, and see